Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete chat history on Grok AI app. All right, let's begin. First, open the Grok AI app on your device and sign into your account. This method works on both Android and iPhone. Once you're on the home screen, tap the menu icon located at the top left corner. When the menu opens, go to the settings section. Depending on your app version, look for options like data controls or history. Inside this section, you'll find an option labeled Delete All Conversations or Clear Chat History. Tap on that option and a warning message will appear. It will inform you that all conversations will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Review the message carefully before proceeding. If you're sure you want to remove everything, confirm by tapping the Delete button. The app will take a few seconds to process your request, and once completed, your entire chat history will be cleared. So that's basically how you can delete chat history on Grok AI app. That's it for this video. Thanks.